Introducing the 3i G10 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, the smarter, sleeker solution to hands-free home cleaning. Special thanks to 3i for sponsoring this video. If you're interested, the purchase link is in the description. With breakthrough features like patented internal debris compression, you'll never look at robot vacuums the same way again. Unlike bulky models that rely on massive base stations and disposable bags, the G10 Plus compresses dust and debris quietly inside a spacious 1-liter onboard bin, giving you up to 60 days of maintenance-free operation. It's bagless, eco-friendly, and even uses built-in UV light to help keep things hygienic and odor-free. This robot doesn't just clean, it reaches every corner of your home with impressive precision. The ultra-reach extendable side brush sweeps debris out of tight edges and corners, while the self-adaptive mop pad maintains consistent contact with baseboards and under furniture. It effortlessly glides around table legs, cabinet bases, and room edges, ensuring a truly gap-free clean every time. What sets the G10 Plus even further apart is its AI-powered intelligence. Equipped with advanced DTOF LiDAR, 3D structured light, and a smart camera system, it recognizes over 128 types of household objects, from charging cables and pet toys to socks and power strips, and smoothly navigates around them, even in low light. Its built-in LED illumination lets it spot dirt and obstacles without slowing down. You'll never have to rescue a stock vacuum again. When it comes to power, the G10 Plus delivers industry-leading performance with a massive 18,000 pascals of suction, more than double or triple that of similar robot vacuums like the UFL60, D-Bot N20, and Roborock Q8 Max Plus. Its floating main brush adjusts to floor contours and digs deep into carpet fibers, making it perfect for picking up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and even the most stubborn debris. And thanks to its dirt scan technology, it can detect dirt levels and automatically adjust suction and cleaning strategy in real time, no manual tweaking required. Whether you have hardwood floors, low-ply rugs, or a mix of both, the G10 Plus adapts intelligently. It lifts the mop automatically when transitioning to carpet, boosts suction when needed, and can even be customized for double cleans or carpet avoidance, all from the 3i app. The app also lets you create cleaning schedules, save multi-level maps, and set no-go zones. You can even start or stop a clean with simple voice commands through Google Assistant or Alexa. With the 3i G10 Plus, you get flagship-level features and a compact, bagless design that simplifies home cleaning. No bulky docking stations, no reoccurring bag costs, just powerful, intelligent, and fully automated cleaning that fits seamlessly into your life. This is the future of floor care, smart, effortless, and built for real homes.